promotional planning and budgeting. We'll try and breeze through these last couple of slides. Obviously, analyzing promotions and coupons is one of the more critical things to do, because otherwise you might be just giving away dollars unnecessarily. And it's really wise to do this so you can plan out next year and then budget accordingly. And also, it's important to understand what types of deals produce what types of results. So, for example, daily deals, an area that Robert used to actually participate on the deals evaluation team at Amazon. It can produce huge volumes, and a lot of people will leverage it for inventory liquidation or new customer acquisition. It's unlikely to produce good profitability for you, and but yet a lightning deal may be better suited to boost your ranking and gain exposure where something may otherwise be buried in the Amazon catalog. And coupons are great for click-through rates and getting that badging to help your product stand out. Also increases your conversion rates with that additional incentive. Sale prices, if done well, if done right, and provide a limited time deal badge. That gives you the click-through rate benefit as well as the impulsivity to increase conversions. And promotions, whether it's percentage off, buy one, get one, etc. These increase your attach rates, your average order volume. That can help your conversion rate metrics, kind of artificially boosting when someone clicks in and buys multiples, and then accelerates new product or accessories. If you say, save X percent when you buy these two together. And also plan for clearance, price drops. These are things that, mature sellers should be doing to make sure that these aren't just spur of the moment decisions. You're not saying, what should I do next week? These are things that you're planning ahead of time, putting them on a promotional calendar and doing with repetition. For example, a lot of the best sellers, they'll do lightning deals every month, sometimes every week, to continuously use lightning deals for different segments of their assortment. Anything to add on this, guys?
Well, I'll say one thing really quick. I know they're going to jump into, but just really fast. The point I wanted to make that I don't think Robert or Paul might make right now, but is that I've had a lot of clients say, daily deals or lightning deals don't work for my products, or my storefront doesn't convert well from my products. And my comment is usually there's a reason for that. It's not your product, it's not your category. It's just you're not doing it in a way that's appealing to your customer. We've made storefront changes, and conversion on the storefront increases exponentially, or it becomes a place where how can we turn your storefront into a place that doesn't just sell one product per order, it sells multiple. So I would just say, when you're doing these things, think about if it's not working or the way that you want it to, or as well as you would like. Try to figure out why. Why is it not working that way? Again, analyze it, look at competitors.
Yeah. And what I was going to say is sort of related to the whole thing, daily deals, lightning deals, but specifically to whatever category you're in. After holiday time, do you have items that maybe wouldn't sell well during holiday time, but it's an accessory item to something that does sell well at holiday time? So now you need to put a promotion on it, do a lightning deal or a coupon starting January 1st, whatever, kind of thing. Look at those kinds of things, see what those opportunities
I'd rather give something away free as an attachment, as a bonus, buy one, get one. Maybe I buy a computer and get a computer case or something for it, versus having to do a return on those computer cases, because now you've been able to use that product to your advantage in some way, whether it's a new customer acquisition or increasing your average order value, increasing your units per transaction. There's just a lot of benefit to thinking that way.
Yep.
So I've got So first of all, I apologize. I mentioned before the call, I do have to drop, so forgive me for that. But one thing, listening to this discussion, something we haven't talked about that you hear a lot about in retail is lots of people get gift cards at Christmas, and therefore, January is
Great point.
opportunistic potentially.
Yeah.
And that's something we really haven't touched on. Amazon obviously does gift cards. You know, I can't speak to any statistics, but I'm sure that there are a lot of them given out. And so that's something I would consider looking at, and will consider looking at, is, you know, have clients look at what spikes in January. You know, what sells really well in January, better than any other month. You know, we've been talking a lot here about liquidation and pulling back ad spend, but I guess my parting thought would be that is, you know, there may be some sweet opportunities in January as well.
Yeah, don't
Totally
take a
agree.
breather and think that January is now, you know, let's go on vacation all of January, because there's still lots of opportunities, right?